Thanks for all the super chats, guys. Really appreciate it. Apple releases new special edition PowerBeats Pro, sticking with the beats.
Yes.
Those are very special edition. My goodness.
Whoa.
They use the word funky. I think the word funky is reserved for this.
Yes.
Yeah, somebody in the chat says Apple is asking for them to come back to California. Maybe it's as much they don't want to go back to California as anything else.
Oh, yeah, it could be.
Right.
Yeah. Apple has released a special edition version of PowerBeats Pro headphones with a tiny and funky yellow and dark purple pattern in partnership with a London-based designer for $250. The designs of Pariah Farzena, an English Iranian designer based in London, alongside their unique yellow and dark purple pattern printed on the PowerBeats Pro case and headphones themselves. The Bluetooth earbuds also come with a unique box and with special stickers. You know, I like the collab. Well, I enjoy the unusual, the artistic. That's a kind of a weird ad. Is that an official Instagram post? What is this? Wow, that's on Beats by Dre. I don't know how to perceive the Instagram post. Thanks for the super chat, Justin. I agree that this is better than CNN Plus right here. I agree. Mo was waiting for the first reference today because he cringes every time.
I'm not going to do it anymore.
He winces. He cringes.
Will, how dare you? Will!
Hotkeys! Will's got a new hotkey
Leave it at that.
for any CNN Plus reference so that Mo can wince even. Yeah!
No!
Anytime you bring it up. Damn. Will's really growing into
That's
it, isn't
a very newsy tune.
Can we just agree that Will's growing into it?
I like that he's getting the
It's fun.
soundboard going.
He's all
This is
grown
going to
up.
be really fun.
Producer Will is all grown up.
Yeah.
Right?
Took
And-
10 years.
Yes. Jesus. See, somewhere close to it.
Yeah.
Holy. Yeah, I'm not sure about the ad here. I don't. But the earbuds themselves are kind of cool. I don't know. My only problem with it is with a thing like earbuds, it's tough to like have, I don't know, do people have more than one pair? Because when you think of it as a style item, you might want to wear something flashy like that, but not every time. And the earbuds are expensive. So it's a little tougher, but who knows, man? Maybe you can pull that off every time.
Do you think?
Like the earbud becomes an ear ring,
Yeah, just
a
but
style
this
component.
one, this is a bit.
Go ahead.
I would have, because these might be great, so I might use them, but they would be like my gym only headphones.
Sporty Mo.
Yeah, they would.
Yeah.
They wouldn't be my.
Yeah. Is that what you look like when you go to the gym?
Yeah,
That's you right there.
right there.
Yeah.
My
Well,
water bottle's a lot bigger.
You
but
see
yeah.
how the vent in the knee.
Yeah, just one.
So, but the laces are not done up. That's a weird. I don't know if I can get with that one.
What?
You're
that
tripping.
must be
Because you're tripping around everywhere. It's a style aspect. But maybe it's like this kind of freewheeling. I don't care.
No,
This kind of, well, okay, why? Why are they undone, Mo?
I think it's just style. I think
Exactly.
it's just-
Exactly. So what is the statement of the undone lace? I'm an undone lace.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
She's definitely not working out, this one. Hey?
Well, how do you know that, man?
You mean in this outfit, right? That's what you mean.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, come on now.
She's got
What,
a
she's gonna
metal
go for a
belt
run with untied
with
laces? though?
butterflies on it.
Don't doubt the capabilities.
I call it fake news.
Don't doubt the
I don't
capabilities.
know.
Yeah, well, you don't have to wear Beats just for working out, but Mo says for him, they're for working out. See, that's when he really tries to show off, so he goes for the flashier
Right, yeah.
looks.
I say, look at me.
You don't know what his outfit is. He says, I'm not the kind of guy that can work out at home.
No.
I'm the kind of guy that needs to be seen in the gym
I got to flex.
when I'm torqued, when I got my pump on, when I'm all pumped up. Yeah, no. Okay, so that's cool. It's $200. Interesting. The special edition headphones cost $250, but they're currently exclusively available on Sense. Apple is currently holding a special offer for the regular PowerBeats for $200. So these are going to be a $50 premium, but the regular price of the Beats. Cool. Okay, we got it. Yeah, it's a color scheme. We got it.